Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have my 9 products in 2019, right? That's what I called it. I know it's a rolling project pan, so I picked 9 products that I wanted to use up in 2019, and as I used one, I would roll one in to constantly churn. I know I did not want to do a 19 by 2019 like I mentioned before. It would just be too boring for me, but I figured 9 products at a time, and then I'm constantly rolling will help me to continue to use some products. So I'm here to update you guys on my 9 products. If you're interested, just keep on watching. All right, so I had to write down my list just to make sure I got all the 9 products. The first one I have on my list is the Eve Pearl Duo Salmon Concealer. My goal for this was to use up the corrector because I already had used up the concealer, and I have met my goal. Look at that beauty. Yep, completely used her up. I cannot, even if I wanted to scrape some of this off, cannot use it anymore. This is my second one of these that I used, and my final one in my collection. This is pretty expensive. If you get this off their website, it's 50 bucks. I paid 25 off a Hot Look, which is still a little bit expensive. I did like it. I prefer this one, honestly, and this is in light to medium in the summer. I felt like it was a little too dark, the corrector part. So, but it was really good emollient. It didn't really crease, and it was self-setting, so I didn't really have to set it. But I'm happy I have it out of my collection because it was getting old, and I want to use up my corrector. So I have one product down. The following product is my NYC Smooth Skin Powder. I weighed this the last time because I wanted to see how much I was starting out with, and honestly, you guys, I weighed it today and it's saying it's 0 grams. This is how much I have left in there. I don't even know if you guys can see it because it's white on white, but I don't have much at all. Like I don't know if you guys can see it from here. Is that better? I don't know. I don't have much. The sifter has been taken out. I did weigh it with the sifter. I probably have 2 more uses left out of this. I have been using this powder for over 2 years now. It's almost 2.5 years, so it takes a long time to use up a powder, but I'm so happy. As you guys can see, that's all that I have left, that little bit right there. Everything else is gone out of here. So once, I'm pretty sure by next month, this will be completely gone and I'll be using something else. I am going to keep the packaging because I have other small mini size powders that are going to be difficult for me to use out of the little sifter, so I'm going to keep that to use it for other products. So that is the second product. That should be done by next month. Third is my Stila Aspiring Lip Liner. I will share with you guys obviously all of my little tallies where I started from, and you guys know this is where I'm at. Completely done. There is nothing in there. It is completely hollow. I am very, very happy. As you guys know, look, this is where I was. So I basically used all that up. Now, obviously, there's some pencil left, but there's nothing in there. It's completely gone hollow out of there. This one was one of my older lip liners. This one was in Aspiring. It was a very, very beautiful shade, but it was drier because of the fact that it was older. I am happy that I'm done with it. I really enjoyed it. It went with everything. You guys know that I use lip liners like they're nothing. I'm currently using another one that's not even in a project pan, and I'm almost done with that one too. So I have another product that is completely done. Now for my e.l.f. brow product. Okay, so this is where I am currently at. You guys, I'll show you on the screen where my tallies are. I don't have a lot left, but I feel like this is going really slow. I remember saying in the intro that you don't get a lot of product, but I don't need a lot. So this is going to take me a little bit. I have a feeling this will give me another 2 to 3 months left. This little bit here will probably give me 2 to 3 months left. I enjoy it. I don't mind it. I like the fact that it has a spoolie on this side. So what I'm wearing on my brows today, I've been wearing this every day. Every single day I wear makeup, this is the one I'm wearing. I do have one more of this in my collection, and then after that, all I have is deluxe sample size brow products. So I still have not met my goal on this. My goal is to finish this up, but I am working on it. Next up is my Bop Beauty Honeycomb. Okay, so this one I am very happy to say that you will see progress on here. Not much, but there's something. What I've been doing with this one is because I don't like to use nudes. Like, I rather have color on my lips. I'm not a nude lip wearing girl. You guys know that. But I do like this one. I like it more in the summer because I have a tan, so I kind of have color. I don't really like using this in the winter, even though it looks fine on me. It's just me. It's just me. But what I've been doing is whatever lip product I use it right on top, and that's what I did today. I use the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lip in Fig, and then I put this right on top to kind of give it a dimension. I like it for that. I use this over my lip liners. I use this on top of any lip color because it is such a neutral shade. It's really nice. So my goal is to finish this up. I have a feeling this is going to take me at least 6 months to use up, which is fine with me. As long as I get to use 2 of these little minis somehow, some way before the end of the year, I'd be content. So this one is still ongoing. Becca Moonstone is the next product that I have. This one, I don't know if you will be able to see progress when you see the pictures in here, but I have been using this, not consistently, but at least I use it, I would say like 3 times a week that I do my makeup, 3 to 4 times. So it's going to be a slow progress. I am wearing it today on my cheeks. I think I'll get more use out of this in the summer because then I can use it all over my body. But for right now, I'm just using it on my face as often as I possibly can. My goal is to hit pan on this. I do see a little bit of a dent in the center, but again, it just could be my eyeballs. I don't know if I'm seeing it right. But I'm working on it, you guys. I'm working on it. I know it's going to take a while, but I am committed to hit pan on that highlighter. Now I have my Sigma eyeshadow primer in Sorbet. This one I haven't used once. It's still in the same exact position it was before when I introduced it. The reason why, look, I have a lot of product in here. The reason why I haven't used it is because I have another eye primer in this project, and I wanted to use that one up before I started using this one. I am going to start using this very soon. I can tell you that right now. So my goal is to use it up. I haven't touched it at all, but I have, 10 months left. So I'm good. I'm good. I know I can finish that up. Now for the primer that I have been using. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer. I was right above the word eyeshadow. Now I am so low that I have to bend this to get any eyeshadow primer out. I am basically done with this. You can actually see it in, I don't know, like through the lights, I can actually see that I have nothing left in here. I probably have a good week, if that's worth, in here, and then this should be done by next month. I'm sad to see it go, but I know this is permanent, so I can always get another one. I have a lot of eyeshadow primers. If those don't work for me, I'm just going to declutter them and just stick to this one because this is my favorite. But my goal is to finish this up. I am almost positive it will be done before the next month update. So that should be a gimme for next month. Last but not least is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. My goal was to finish this completely up. I had another foundation in my winter project pan. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up in the iCards. Spoiler alert, if you haven't watched it, I finished my foundation in that project pan. So I just started using this one. I've only used it maybe a week's worth. So there's not going to be much progress on here. But hopefully by next month, this should be done because I don't have much left and I've been really working hard on finishing up my foundation. So this one hopefully will definitely almost be done by next month. But I just started to use it, so there's no point in me tallying because I only had like 5 or 6 days of use out of this one. So looking at my list, I actually finished 2 products. So that means I have to roll in 2 products into this project pan. So let me go ahead and pick those for you guys, and then I'll share with you guys what I picked. All right, so to replace this lip liner, I'm going to put in this lip liner. This is the one that I have been using. This is the Bite Beauty number 36. This is all that I have left on it here. Might as well just go ahead and finish this one up. Hopefully it should be done. I would say this might be done by next month. This is probably a gimme product. This is what I'm wearing as a lip liner now. As you guys can see, I need to sharpen this sucker. But my goal is to finish this up. Hopefully I should be done by next month, and then I'll pick another product because I just want to use as much lip liners as I possibly can. I enjoy them. I have, I like them. So it's not a chore for me to use a lip liner. So this is the product I will be rolling in as I threw it on the floor. I'm going to mark that for you guys as well. So it'll be marked. And then for the Eve Pearl Dual Salmon Concealer, I am going to actually roll in a bronzer. Again, if you saw my project pan, my winter project pan, you guys know that I hit my goal on that bronzer and then it died. So I am rolling in a new bronzer. This is the Sephora palette. I don't know what it's called. Oh, Bronzed and Blushing Face Palette. This is one of those older palettes. And these are the 3 products in it. It has 2 blushes and a bronzer in here. This bronzer is called Los Cabos bronzer. It is one of their permanent ones. I do have it in a full size. I really like this bronzer, especially for this time of year. This is what I'm wearing on my cheeks. It's the perfect bronzer for me when I'm fair. When I'm basically at my lightest is when I can use this bronzer and it shows up. So my goal is to hit pan on this. I don't see myself having a problem because I hit pan on the last bronzer and it didn't take me long, and I've been using this bronzer a ton lately. And actually I have these 2 blushes on my cheeks as well. I really like this palette, and I know this was limited edition or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna try to hit pan on this since I do have the full size. So that is the other product that I will be rolling into this project pan. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am having fun with this project pan because I'm kind of still using what I need to use, but I'm rolling in new things and I'm using things up. Next month, just to meet my goals, next month I have a feeling this lip liner will be done. This primer will be done. This powder should be done. And I have a feeling this probably might be done as well. So my goal is to finish these 4 products up so I can roll in 4 more products. These 3 are going to be my tough ones that are going to sit here for a little bit longer, but we're going to, oh wait, and this will be forever in this project pan, but that's okay. And then these 3 as well, but I'm going to work on it. This is why it's easy. I kind of balance it out so I know I have my hard products and then my easy products. This one might take me at least 2 months to hit pan on, but I don't mind because you guys know I go through bronzers like crazy as well. So that's it, guys. I will make sure to mark everything, take pictures of everything, so we have all documentation of all of my progress, because I know I enjoy watching the progress, so I know you guys do as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.